A deep truth source within Kumasi Asante Kotoko Ekache said, as far as Coach Prosper Ogum and the technical team of Kumasi Asante Kotoko remain, no, Danlad Ibrahim future with the club no, is over. And now they are Danlad a committee to Kumasi Asante Kotoko, even though say club no says still they are going to need him. So far as the technical team is in charge no currently no, and now they are a committee. And no Beka say player no or gonna so. Currently, as we speak, Kumasi Asante Kotoko, Danlad Ibrahim, player no gonna. At the end of the season, it is pointing to one fact say Oko. And no Kocho send me to social media say Obeba Bontain, no Wabekasa Wabeche insane. But I feel that Danlad onye careful. He's still a very young goalkeeper. To me, minya yanka obetina Kumasi Asante Kotoko because Danlad Kumasi Asante Kotoko Adaroma Wako World Cup and you were a big project, but nyoma bi na ayɛ nyoma bi na nteaseɛ nyɛ adwuma 1 2 3 issues if it is resolvable and mpanyinfoɔ unresolvable, but if it is not resolvable now we'll be moving on. You shouldn't move on a bad note because ɛkyina wɔ hɔ. You are a very young goalkeeper. I'll bet me at the goal in the next 10 years because goalkeepers it's me that quite 40 35 37 so what I mention. Yes, information I mean I can say Kumasi Asante Kotoko IMC no ebe organize a party ama the Kotoko playing team. Now we from omo musika ye tete omo through indiscipline no. At the end of the season party no yeah momo and some of the players mpanyefo ebe catch omo say we don't need your service again and they are going to draw omo next line of plan. Yes, for next destination among and it is going to be held individually with the players now. New players it will make way for them. That's the news and pay mensa eka ewo but patch our super 24 TV uta have our own subscriber ya wadarama or hit the rest subscribe button now about the